not to go to jail.
I'm willing to because I sat at your Metro train well for 2 hours.
You ready? That has nothing to do with it.
My mom can vouch for this. They a resident of Miami.
You want to go to jail?
Yeah, we can.
September 5th, 2020. Miami-Dade County, Florida. A passenger missed her flight after a 3-hour rail delay, and 13 minutes of body camera footage separate that complaint from a custodial arrest. No crime was alleged when the officers arrived. What matters is not the sequence of events, but whether Florida law supplied any basis for the arrest that ended it.
All right, so she's screaming and yelling. She's not wearing a mask. What's wrong? All right. Is she going to be able to fly later?
I'm not sure.
Okay. All right.
I paid for my ticket. I was at Tri-Rail.
Ma'am, I'm trying to help you. Can you put on your mask so we can solve the issue?
I'm not going to. Why I can't load on that plane?
Just refund her money and I'll make sure.
Ma'am, the flight's already gone.
Right.
It's done.
When?
The flight.
It pulled off.
You know I forget it.
All right.
You right. I'm right here from Detroit. I was sitting at your Metro Tri-Rail for 3. Call Metro Tri-Rail. The plane don't leave at 3:12.
Got a minor 22 at the ticket counter. One female who missed her flight. Everything's 10-4.
My mother and my daughter's a resident of Miami. My mom just took me all the way to the Metro train.
She's not flying,
I
right?
paid for my ticket in Detroit.
She got a,
Reschedule her?
I was at your Metro train.
I'm gonna see if I can get
A later flight?
no, I have to see if what's we
They
have
don't want
in
me to
here.
take Metro train rail, though. This is all for
It's
Miss
ridiculous. She literally just walked through the door, and
She just got here.
yeah, basically.
Okay. Well, she's got to get here 3 hours early. Whatever you guys. I'm okay with whatever. I'm not like Chris. You know, remember Chris? But she's upset.
Now they also let the flight leave.
Imagine that.
She's all right. They're gonna refund her money, and then she's gonna have to.
I'm done.
Now she put her mask on. She didn't have her mask on. So.
Call Metro Trail.
Ma'am, they're going to give you your money back. Correct?
Okay.
They can put, no, they need, the plane don't leave the 312. I gotta carry
Ma'am,
on.
the plane's gone.
The plane ain't gone. When I flew in here, the plane wasn't gone.
Ma'am, try to understand me.
So the plane left early.
Listen, they're going to give you your money back. All right?
They gonna give me my money back, mind you hear?
They're going to give you your money back. But you yelling and screaming is not helping.
They're not gonna let you on the
My
plane.
mother lives here. It doesn't matter.
So you got somebody to pick you up.
She'll tell you we was at the airport we was at Metro Trail at 12
Ma'am, you
o'clock.
got to be here at the airport.
It doesn't matter. We was waiting on
It
your
does
Metro
It does
Trail.
matter.
It doesn't matter.
Because you didn't make the flight.
It does matter.
So what happened to Metro Trail? What happened to Metro Trail?
I don't know. We're not
They
Metro.
don't know. That's what I'm saying.
You're blaming us for Metro.
Right. Call somebody who know about Metro Trail.
We don't need
Ma'am,
to.
you need to get to the airport. Doesn't matter what means. Who you're
Relax,
driving.
relax. I know you're upset with us, but we didn't do anything.
I could have been on my flight.
42, yeah.
Call Metro Trail.
They don't care anymore.
Ma'am.
They don't want you upset on the flight.
Man, listen, the plane's done.
Spirit doesn't want you on the flight.
Call the chief then. Call your chief police. I'm upset with Spirit.
You're
They didn't do nothing. I'm upset with Metro Trail.
Well-
I've been here since 12:15.
Sounds like you got a civil matter for Metro.
Now they trying to include Spirit. Spirit ain't got nothing to do with it.
How about put your mask on and relax?
Relax.
Yeah, you yelling at us isn't helping anything.
I should have been on my flight to go home.
Put your
All right.
mask on.
What's all about a mask?
Let me see what's happening over here.
They don't want to call Metro Rail.
I'm still good if the manager says let her fly. I don't care. It's not up to me. It's up to you guys.
We've been trying to work with her.
Yeah, if you guys figure something out, sooner we can get something to her, like a ticket or a refund. Yeah.
I going to get her ID, but she's not.
Oh, do you need her ID?
That's the only way I get to find her.
Okay.
We left at 11. There's no way else to be going through it.
Time is the plane supposed to leave?
3:15, I think. Let me see. Let me see.
I put that bitch right on top of the plane.
Hey, what time was that plane supposed to leave?
3:10.
So, like, okay.
I've been sitting there Metro Rail. I wouldn't even know how to get up and call it.
3:10. So. I got Metro Rail on the phone. I should say that.
I'm going to start with Metro.
Nah.
Definitely be better than mine.
Huh? Yeah. At least she's not violent. She did loud.
They won't call Metro Rail. That's the whole point. All Metro Rail. They say they 3 hours. I love to jump in this truck. If they 3 hours behind, now they sit there jail since 12:15. That means I'm gonna sit there Metro Rail since 3 hours. Before she's at 3:20. She's somewhere 2 hours now. We left at 11.
I think the couple behind him are upset now too, but with something else.
Is like before, like when I first got here.
They would hurry up and do their paperwork and get them out, but now they're a little slow on.
But my thing was, Spirit had some defects. They had some problems. You'd see all this build up.
Right.
People were just getting here late.
Right.
It's not like Spirit's.
No.
I don't care. I'm at the airport. Can't get the phone call. We left at 11 o'clock. Where's my ticket? They take me to jail. I go back to jail. And when I tell the judge how the Metro Rail failed me, take me to jail. Where's my ticket?
Pick up your ID, take it. Weapon in this file, what weapon is this? That's what you ID for 38 subject?
Why she take me to the fucking Metro Rail?
Pretty rapid. You want my card?
Metro Rail and ever since 12:15.
All right.
So where's my ticket? Where's my ticket?
They're working on it.
I left at 11 from 92nd and 17th. Yes. At 11.
You sure she's not flying? So you sure she's not flying? Okay, okay.
No, definitely she's
Okay, all right.
How are you, baby?
Hey. Money.
Uniform 196.
it Miami?
He said it's a 3-hour delay.
Were you in Miami?
I was there since 12. Why wouldn't they say it until now?
I don't know. Is it in Miami?
Straight bullshit. Nobody else hears what's going on. Upgrade even 12 minutes. I could have been checked in 30 minutes ago. I don't got no feeling. I gotta kill you. That shit didn't take nothing but a minute. Hello. I am.
Take your bag. Let's go outside. Let's go.
I've been at Metro Trail Ring for 3 hours. I just want to talk to your chief.
No.
Let me talk to the chief and the sergeant.
You can call him on the phone. You're going out here.
Let's talk to the chief and the
Come on
sergeant.
here.
I'm going to record it. So let's talk to the chief and the sergeant.
Listen to me. You're about to go to jail.
I am. I'm going to jail because I sat at Metro Train Rail for...
No.
My mama will vouch. We are...
You don't make demands.
I shouldn't have missed my flight.
Here's your ticket. There you go.
Right. Call your chief.
Negative.
Chief doesn't care, man.
I want to
This
call
has
your
nothing to do-
chief.
You call him.
See?
Yeah.
You said what? Your chief don't care? You said what? Your
Ma'am.
chief don't care.
Ma'am, listen.
We've been on.
Calm down.
And
in
you're
the
about to go to
airport, okay?
jail.
You're about to go to jail.
I'm willing
Calm
to
down.
because I sat at your Metro train rail for 2 hours.
ready?
It has nothing to do with it.
My mom can vouch for this. They a resident of
You want
Miami.
to go to jail? You're going
Yeah, we can.
All right.
Don't. Oh, you took my phone?
You're going to jail. You did this. You know that, right?
And you know I'm a lawsuit, right? Okay, let's do this.
All right.
I answer your chief and your sergeant.
Yeah.
That's all.
You'll talk to him.
Okay? Your sergeant.
You can talk to him after you get out of jail.
Okay.
All right?
Mm-hmm.
I want you to understand.
You ain't gotta talk to me. I want a lawyer.
Huh? No.
Now we done.
Did you want to
I
go to
want a
jail?
lawyer. I want a lawyer.
Okay. Did you want to go to
I
jail?
want a lawyer. You still talking through it? I want a lawyer.
Take a seat.
Absolutely.
All right. Do we got to get something from them? Saying anything? Just that she was argumentative and...
Yeah, I mean, it would be...
Start with the statute. Florida's disorderly conduct provision, Section 8, 77.03, punishes conduct affecting the peace and quiet of persons who witness it, broad enough to swallow almost any public argument. The Florida Supreme Court refused that reading. In State versus Saunders, the court held that no words except fighting words or a false shout of fire in a crowded theater fall within it. It went further, holding the provision should not be read to prescribe the use of language in any fashion whatsoever. Florida courts have applied that ever since, and speech alone will not sustain a conviction. The stated basis collapses on contact. Argumentative is not fighting words, and the officer's own assessment on scene, not violent, just loud, describes conduct the statute no longer reaches. Federal law points the same way. In City of Houston versus Hill, the Supreme Court held that freedom to verbally oppose or challenge police without risking arrest separates a free nation from a police state. A lawful path existed the whole time. Florida's trespass statute, Section 8, 10.08, makes it a misdemeanor to remain in a structure after a warning to leave. Once the carrier refused passage, that warning was available and simple to document. It appears nowhere on the recording, not to the passenger, and not in the officer's own discussion of what they needed. The choice carries downstream cost. Resisting an officer without violence, Section 843.02, requires that the officer be lawfully executing a legal duty, so it falls with an unlawful arrest. Two side issues resolve cleanly. Federal law lets a carrier refuse any passenger it deems a safety risk, and the mask rule came from county emergency orders no officer ever cited. The mental health request deserves precision. Florida's involuntary examination statute sets criteria this record does not meet, though a county with a mature crisis intervention program still had somewhere to route it. One moment stays unresolved on the audio. If a phone was taken because recording was announced, the 11th Circuit's ruling in Smith versus City of Cumming makes that a restriction on protected activity. Two things were done right. Every mask request functioned as de-escalation rather than enforcement, and once counsel was requested, no questioning followed, which is what Edwards versus Arizona requires. The officers earn a C+. 9 minutes show real judgment, including a call to the transit agency to verify her account, and the final 2 reach for the wrong statute. The passenger earns the same grade. She was right on the facts, never violent, and still refused the one lawful order that could have justified everything that followed. The lesson for officers is narrow. When a dispute is civil, name it and use the trespass authority that fits, because charging annoyance under a gutted speech statute invites suppression and liability. The lesson for civilians is just as narrow. Being right protects nothing once a lawful order to leave is refused, and the strongest position is the one preserved by leaving and litigating later. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.